Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device. So now let's just swipe to the right side of our home screen and we can see that the Google Discovery is activated. If you want to turn off this option, just first hold for a while your device screen, slide just to the right side, and you'll see here the Google Discovery of Samsung Free. Just to turn off this option, click once on the switcher to turn it off. Just let's go back to our home screen, and now we can see that the Google Fit option successfully turned off. If you want to turn it on by the same way, hold for a while your home screen, slide to the right side and tap to turn on the switcher, go back, and we can see that it's successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.